So guys, this is another chocolate taste test. You probably just saw the Mr. Beast peanut butter chocolate, and now I've got this chocolate. I've been seeing commercials of it all over the internet, of the Cadbury Dairy Milk Fireworks chocolate, and it has popping candy apparently in this chocolate, and I wanted to try it. So let's see if it's worth the hype, or if it's just meh. Let's see. Yeah. A little piece. So here's one piece. Let's try it. No way. It actually has like popping candy. Listen. You hear that? It's got popping candy. Actually. It's not bad chocolate. Quite unique experience. I will say that. It's not bad.